where is my friend? Brother, why would I even tell her that? That even make no sense. Why would I tell her that? No kill me and try to kill it too. You don't understand. You're a villain. And you gotta tell an evil backstory that will give me a lot of time to get back my friend. What? We just meet her like 3 seconds ago. We are talk about. We just meet her like 3 seconds ago. You talk about your friend Ray. Me capture him, yes? Me not tell her where me put him. That don't make no sense.
Just a matter of time before he tells me evil backstory. What am I do? Where am I weapon? You know, let us kill our brother. Let us kill your friend now. Let us kill your friend.
We gonna fuck you up.
Nigga, I'm in the ear. You know what? He's my friend. And I know you're the villain. And you got an evil backstory you gotta tell first. So that'll give me a lot of time to get him back. So, I will get him. He's my friend. I will wait
Inner monologue.
You got monologue.
Yeah, you don't know.
Is it?
Is
Oh, there. No. MOB. The Ivory one. Shit, in the phone.